we're gonna bake some cookies.
Bake some cookies?
Yeah.
Today, Jan's gonna bake some chocolate chip cookies. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Chocolate chip cookies is Johan's favorite. So here we have some of the ingredients. The butter is there in the fridge, but we need flour,
And eggs.
eggs, baking soda, some salt, white and brown sugar, some chocolates, and some vanilla. Who's excited?
It's me.
Johannes, let's go! Okay guys, so today what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the chocolate chips. You can buy the chocolate chips at the store, but personally I just want like the Hershey one, and we just like cut it into small pieces, and that's what we're gonna do. What are you doing? Okay, so guys, we already chopped the chocolate into small. Johan, we're gonna run out of chocolate. You're so silly. Okay.
The first one we're gonna add is the dry ingredients.
Yeah, so in a bowl, we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients. Now, Johan's gonna put in some flour. You have to make 2 cups, okay?
Okay.
Careful. We need to flat it. Okay, I think we need to add more. Be careful, Johan. And we're gonna add 1 more. We need 2 cups. The second cup. Now we're adding. What's that, Johan?
Baking soda.
1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. What did you add?
Salt.
1/2 teaspoon salt. Go.
Hi guys, now we're gonna add 1 teacup of brown sugar.
Okay, put it in. Look
Let's
at that.
see the shape.
Now we're also gonna add some
White sugar.
white sugar, 1/2 cup. Put it in. Ta-da! And then we're gonna mix it all together. So we're gonna mix the dry ingredients first, and we're gonna mix the
Sorry.
it's okay, the wet ingredients next, okay?
Whoa!
Careful mixing them.
It's so white and so dark.
White and dark. You have to make sure that everything's well mixed.
Whoa!
Looks like someone's having fun. Mixy, mixy. I think it's already mixed well. Johan's doing a great job. Now we're doing the wet ingredients, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna set this aside, guys. Our dry ingredients, and proceed to making the wet ingredients in another bowl.
Yeah. Now we need 1 egg and 1 egg yolk.
Correct, good job. So we're gonna need 1 egg and then another egg, but just the yolk. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, and then you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Johan, be careful. More? Oh, okay, put it there. And then 1 more, because this is just 1/2 teaspoon. You need to add 1 more to make it 1 teaspoon. Be careful. Wow, you're so careful. Good job. There you go. Doing a great job. Of butter. Go, baby. Carefully. Put it all there together. That looks nice. Do you think that look nice?
Yeah.
Mixy, mixy. Johan's mixy, mixy.
Mashing the egg. The egg is melted.
Is it? Hi, kitty. What are you making?
Cookie.
Cookies. We're getting there with the wet ingredients. Mixy, mixy. I like how Johan's very careful, because we do learn a lot from each other, and I always remind him to be careful and to ask for my help when he's having a hard time. So he's been really a good boy. He listens to me. So far we're doing great.
Finish.
Finish? Okay. Which one is dry?
This.
Which one's wet?
This.
Okay, so now what are we gonna do?
Now we're gonna add the mix. Now we're gonna mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients.
Okay, pour it in slowly.
This one?
Yes. Very carefully. Good job. Put it everything. Good job, Johan. Guys, Johan's already eating the dough. Is it yummy? The dough. So we already mixed them together. Make sure the texture is like the Play-Doh texture. That's how you know that you
It's
already.
like Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's like Play-Doh. So
I'm
now.
eating the Play-Doh.
So now what we're gonna do is mix the chocolate chip cookies. Put them there, Johan. And we'll see. I mean the chocolate chips, not the chocolate chip cookies. And then we're gonna mix it and see if we need more, okay? Oh my goodness, this boy's already eating the dough. Can't wait. Actually adding more chocolate because this boy's been eating them. Really naughty. And then we're gonna pour it in here in our mixture. Ta-da! And continue mixing them. Now we're gonna roll them into circles to make the cookies. You wanna try it, Johan?
Yeah.
You do like that. Make sure your hands are clean.
I did already.
And you don't have to flat it because they're gonna get flat as you bake it. But make sure you give them space.
Well, we're making cookies with some like people that.
This one's too big. Sorry about that. Silly guy. You're so silly. What?
I just don't want to eat it right now, okay?
Nope. Put it down. Imitate your cookies. So far, this is what we're making, and we're gonna keep doing it. Look guys, this is where we are right now. So we're gonna put it in the oven, and we'll see.
Yeah, guys, I hope the mom did this with mom. This is the one that he did.
Okay. Putting it in the oven. Okay, on this step, guys, you need to ask for help from your parents, okay? Can you close it for me, Johan? Here you go. And we're gonna wait for 15 minutes.
Guys, look, the oven is flattening the dough.
Yeah, it's getting flat, huh?
It's getting to the cookie.
Johan can't wait because that's his favorite cookie. Smile! Look at that silly face waiting for the cookie.
Guys, look at the cookies.
Guys, this is it. We just got it out from the oven and now we're gonna wait. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Because it's still so hot, so we're gonna wait for it to cool down a little bit and then we're gonna taste it, okay?